How to add a logo to your website. A logo is ideally placed at the top of a web page, and if well designed, it should be recognizable to your visitors even when small in size. A common and effective location for logo placement is within the navigation bar of the website. Why the navigation bar? Because over 58% of global web traffic comes from mobile devices, visitors often view your site on smaller screens. Having the logo in the navigation bar allows them to quickly recognize that they are on the correct website without having to read text. Placing a logo in eProfitify's Paraclete editor. In eProfitify, the logo is treated like any other image in the system. Most eProfitify website templates already have a logo placeholder embedded within the navigation bar. To add your logo, 1. Click on the existing placeholder image in the template. 2. Upload your logo file or choose one from your media library. The system will automatically resize it to fit the available space in the navigation bar. Logo design tips for best results. Avoid backgrounds. Transparent backgrounds give you flexibility for brochures, business cards, and websites. Keep it simple. Complex logos may lose clarity when displayed at small sizes. Think responsive. Your logo should look good on desktop and mobile screens. Recommended size. A logo width between 150 to 300 px is ideal for most navigation bars. Go ahead and try placing your logo. It should only take a minute. Leave us a comment below if you found this useful or if you have any questions. This is Jam, your virtual friend from eProfitify, signing off until we meet again in the next tutorial video.